Hello, I hope everyone is doing fine here. So, as you all know, that vaccinations has started in India, and vaccines have started being rolling out. But there is a subtle amount of issue with this vaccination drive. The issue is that the system is a little bit unsystematic. Like, like there was a time when people used to stand in long queues for hours only to get the side news that no, the vaccine is not available, the slots are totally full, they are filled up, and there is no vaccine available. So this causes a lot of problem. First of all, it creates a lot of menace because necessarily a lot of people are present here at a place. Number two, it creates a lot of panic among people because a lot of people aggregate at one place for the vaccine only to get to know that there is no vaccine, and at the end of the day it might cause a spread in the virus itself. So to counter this, to rectify this problem, me and my team has come up with an idea which is known as Find Me Slot. So this app, what it does is basically it asks the user for the pin code, like which region would you like to get vaccinated, and it asks the users for the date, and accordingly it finds them the slot. Like if there is any slot at that date, so if there any slot, then it will show the user like at which slot the vaccine is available, and if there is no such slot, then it will just show 0. So in this manner what will happen that the user will be aware about is there any slot or not. So let's get going. Like this is my emulator. I will show you. This is my emulator, the app. Here it is. Let's say like I would like to search for a place. Like this is the application. So you can see here pretty much I have used here. So let's say I want to search for vaccination in my place, like the place which I belong to. Its pin code is 4492001. So I'm gonna search, and as you can see, the date which I want to search is, let's say, 30th of May 2021, which happens to be Sunday, that is today. And you can see this is the result. So it says that like there is no vaccine here. As you can see that the availability of vaccine is 0. It also shows some subtle amount of details, like at which place the vaccination is getting done. Like in this case it's UPHC Raja Talab. The location of that area, the area of that, the timing, like from morning 9 to evening 6, you can get yourself vaccinated. And what is the brand of vaccine, that is Covishield. And what is the age bar here? Actually the government has divided the age bar for different people, like only 45 plus people can get vaccinated at certain places, and in certain places only 18 plus people can get vaccinated. So let's say, oops, sorry, okay, so let's say I want to search for a place, let's say 490020. This is the Bhilai hometown of mine. Let's say the date be 31st May, Monday. So you can see that there's actually a slot available, and this slot name goes by the name Uria Para. It is basically the address of that place, and the timings here as well shown here. And again the age bar is 45 plus, and the brand of vaccine used here is Covishield. So pretty much you can use it. Now let's say like if I would like to search for a place in which the vaccination is actually not present, the vaccination drive is not happening there. So I would just simply enter the pin 111045, search. Let's say 31st of May. So you can see there's a toaster which says that no centers available at that particular place. So this is pretty much how the application works. I hope you like it, and if you do so, please, thank you.